This is Hikoki's SB3608DA, a 36-volt multi-volt cordless belt sander. If you're a carpenter that needs maximum power when it comes to the sanding applications, then look no further. Hikoki's 36-volt multi-volt technology gives you the power of a corded machine, but with the flexibility of cordless, and this thing is no slouch, giving you a belt speed ranging from 122 to 450 meters a minute. All of that can be controlled by the variable speed dial on top. You've got settings 1 through 5 and also an A, which is an automatic mode. It is the sander's way of automatically detecting the power needed for the material that it is running against. For a tool like this to run efficiently, it is worth noting that this is running off of a brushless motor for maximum power and no maintenance. And obviously with a tool like this, dust extraction is going to be key. It does come with a dust bag, as you can see, attached to the back, but you also have a dust port here that is compatible with the majority of dust extractors. It is also important with a tool like this that you remain in control at all times. You don't want the tool flying off, your arms, or the material flying off either. So you've got a handle here and then a secondary handle, so you can remain as in control as possible at all times. So if you are looking for maximum sanding power, then look no further than Hikoki's 36-volt multi-volt belt sander. It's available now at its.co.uk.